I had to show you a cool thing. This is Delta Boats, and they're actually, I don't know, I guess they're going to lift, I don't know if you can see this far enough, but they're going to lift that, the top of that onto the, they're going to hook all this stuff up. Beast, it says on that thing. So that's pretty cool. They got the big Ness Cranes working here. This is going to be one interesting operation at Delta Boats here. Very interesting. I watched them actually bring that big ship inside of their hangar. Anyway, it's time to go.